Welcome back. We've been thriving out here. Like, literally, look at this bar. We need more stone, though, that's for sure. And a whole lot more wood. People are just coming into my base. I don't like this. I don't like the sound of that. Thinking you need to leave, man. Like, seriously. Go find your own place to live. I worked for everything I have. Oh, I can build that. That's what it is. I'm wanting to get one of those metal things. I want a fire pit. Crafting table. What all? Maybe that's what I'm looking for. I ain't gonna place it down until everyone leaves, though. Cause people shouldn't just. Oh yeah, I'm dying of coldness. Let's eat this other cooked meat. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, we need more wood. The crafting table took 40 wood. We need 30 wood just to build this. And 5 stone. And we're gonna die of coldness before that happens. Probably. Craft it up. Okay, we're done. Eat the berries. Put down the crafting table. What do you want? We gotta get that crafting table. So guys, we basically... Oh god, a dog is attacking me. No, don't pull that up. Come on, move. Yes, run. Let's eat some of these berries. Attack someone else. No, don't kill me. Yes, attack the guy with the sword. He'll kill you. Oh, come on. Don't tell me I died from walking into the fire. This game is so realistic. Okay. Well, I didn't want you to have to see me with going through all the progress, but it looks like I'm never just gonna be able to live and thrive again like I did when I lived by myself with that berry pit. Maybe I should just straight go. Yeah, let's kill this dog. Yeah, die. Yeah, die dog. Oh, I'm dead. I'm gonna try that again when I have a weapon. Well, here we go again. This server and that spam. Oh, man. We're not even gonna get a pickaxe before a fireplace. We need a fireplace right away. I know the pickaxe or whatever lets you get resources. Oh, wait, we have to have that to... Yeah, I forgot. Craft it. Hurry, craft it. We need more wood. Oh, let's equip that. That might make this process go a whole lot faster. It is nighttime. Great. Oh, it's empty. Great. Even better. We need to find a food source now. Maybe a fire. That'd be nice. That'd be great. The doctor, do you know where a fire is? Let me get those berries from you. Okay, we're gonna have to mine the stone fast. Craft this up. Oh, he's a lifesaver. Look at this. This man is the legend. Let's get our campfire ready and let's place it on this side. Okay, great. Me and Sands are here. We're doing back-to-back bases. I'm of course eating all the food because, yeah, I like food. I'm hungry. Food is, like, amazing. Oh no, that guy's killing me. Run! Don't kill a man over his own fireplace. What is wrong with you? I'm leaving that place. That guy's not nice. Get a raspberry. that guy hit me. Okay, let's get back in here. Oh. We can't afford to die. We have literally nothing to live for, but we still cannot die. Okay, yes. Oh, come on. Well, I wonder if you get food from killing someone. Like, do you get their supplies or anything? Oh, bro, I thought you were... Oh, he killed me. Great. Great game. Oh, come on. As soon as I pressed the play button, I was doing so well. No? Head. So, funny story. I've been playing for more than 30 minutes, and I thought I was recording. Yeah. No, it wasn't at all. Nowhere even close. I had a pasta. America, don't you just love it? Great, they're empty. This game is so realistic. If you go and fire kills you, it's a way to commit suicide on here. Barry. We're thriving again. We're trying to get a backup fire. We got it. Oh yeah. I want it. I want the berry. Okay, we got 7 stone. That's great. Oh, great. It's a good thing we made this. Let's make another one. That was a lifesaver. Not lying or exaggerating. If we did not have that spare one right there. Oh, yeah, we need to get one real fast. If we would not have had that spare, we'd be dead right now. I'm not exaggerating at all. Okay, great. We got enough wood to build what we're going for next. We need 10 stone. Come on. Piece of poop. Let's eat all my food. I mean, why not? Come on, you piece of poop. Load me some resources then. We're going for a walk. For a little walk. Okay, is this done? Yes, we have. Ooh, what is this? I don't know, but I want it. Looks cool. Maybe it lasts longer. Yes. We're gonna keep this base area. Oh, okay, we're really cold. Let's wait till our life starts going down a little bit. Now it's daytime. We're good. We're definitely making another part. We're running out of time, so if you haven't already, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe, and turn on post notifications, just that bell right next to the subscribe button. And peace out. This is Reaper from 3 Bros on Computer.